Hey guys, Dr. Dan here, and today I want to give you some stretches for lower back issues, whether it's lower back pain, you're having stiffness, sciatica, any kind of SI joint issues, piriformis, tightness in there. I'm going to give you 5 simple stretches that you can do. Granted, there's plenty of other stretches out there that you can do, but I find these the most effective for most of my patients. So first one we're going to do is a child's pose. You're going to put your hands out, bring your butt back, bring your head down. Okay, hold this 10, 15 seconds. If you want to go a little bit longer, you can do so. Next one, you kind of get on your hands and knees. Arch your back up, bring it down, head up, back and forth. Really try to get that stretch in that lower back there. Okay, increase that mobility. All right, from there, I want you to lay on your back. Feet on the ground. I want you to take a knee and try to bring it to the chest. You can bring your leg down to get a better stretch in there. Okay, bring it down slowly. Take the other knee, bring that leg down, pull it to the chest. Okay, good. Now the next one is going to be a piriformis stretch. It's going to help with the glutes as well. So you want to put your ankle on your opposite knee. You want to bring your leg up, put your hands behind your knee, and try to pull it towards you. Okay, again, hold for 10, 15, 20 seconds if you want to. Do about 2 to 3 reps of this. Again, other side, bring it up, pull. Okay, if this is difficult to do, you can use a towel or a band to help pull it. If you can't do that, you can kind of try to slide your foot closest to your butt, and that'll help give you some of that stretch in that glute. All right, from here, bringing the knees down, and I like to just, again, get some more mobility in that lower back. Try to keep your shoulders flat and rotate your knees side to side. Okay. Don't push it if this is bothering you at all. But again, another stretch for increased mobility in there. Oh, all right. That's it. So those are 5 simple stretches I have some of my patients do. Again, there's other stretches out there that you can do, but I don't want to overwhelm you with 10, 15, 20 stretches. So if you need any other help or have any questions, give me a call at the office. Thanks.